In primetime news this evening, come clean. Private sector calls on politicians to renounce criminal connections.
Our approach requires the admission by the political parties of the role that politics has played and still plays in the generation of crime and violence.
Hypocritical. Attorney General responds to opposition threats to challenge use of states of emergency to fight crime in court. And new details on ministers past and present who were issued government credit cards.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Herman Green has our preview. Herman?
Thanks, Janella. Well, mere months after negotiating a debt swap, Digicel may have to do it all again with another restructuring plan. How will this impact bondholders? I'll tell you later in the business day.
Thank you, Herman. And from business, we go to sports. Spencer Darlington, what's happening there?
Thank you very much, Archie. Well, a former JFF boss has announced his intention to challenge for the presidency at the September elections. At this stage, the incumbent appears to be the favorite to remain in office. We'll give you more details later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, what has been your experience finding parking in the corporate area?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.